Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix iOS update not showing issue in your iPhone device. If you want to update your system to the latest version and update is not showing in your device, then this video is for you. To fix this, first of all, open your settings and go through the general. Then scroll down and hit on the VPN and device management and make sure that no VPN is connected to your device. Once you check that, go through the iPhone storage and make sure that you have storage enough to update the system. Once you check that, go back to the settings and then make sure that low power mode is turned off. Again, go through the general and hit on the transfer or reset iPhone and then reset your whole iPhone. This will surely help you to overcome this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.